QuoteExpress Sheet Metal Training Path, Step 1, Part 2.1, Adding Zones. Once the job file has been created, the next step is to break your job up into zones. Zones are used for better job management, allowing you to extrapolate your data and run reports with more detail. To add a zone, go to the bottom of the screen and to the right and click the Add New Zone. The zone information screen will then come up. Zone name is a field that you can use to describe how you're going to break the job up. Most common used, drawing numbers. Zone ID would be an additional numbering system that you can use for tagging your job. It is an optional field. Zone type is a drop-down menu listed with base bid, additive alternate, deductive alternate, archive, change orders, additive, alt, and deductive. Options that you can use for labeling your zones to help with your reporting processes. Blueprint scale. A scale will need to be chosen if you're going to be using a digitizer click tip pen to do your takeoff. Optional information. You can break the job up into the phase codes, systems, add in subzone names, list an area, classifications, or even a blueprint number. Phase, rough-in, system, supply, subzone, rooftop unit 1, area, first floor, class, low pressure. All this information is optional but will help in the reporting process. Hanger spacing and drop will need to be filled out. If you leave these fields blank, the program will default to what is set up as your company defaults in the central options file. Hanger spacing is the distance between sets of hangers. Hanger drop is the distance from the structure down to the duct. Clear new zone information. Having this box checked tells the program when you create the next new zone to begin with a blank screen. After filling out all of the required zone information, click the OK button to go to the pressure file selector. The pressure file selector allows you to choose the pressure classes you wish to begin with. On the rectangular, round, oval, accessories, and labor rates tab, be sure to select the files you wish to start with. Selecting the pressure file will update the status at the top. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see it is displaying which pressure file is currently selected on each of the pages. By selecting the files and moving to the next page, you can verify that the required information you need will be loaded for the takeoff screen. Once you've verified that the information is correct, simply click the OK button at the bottom of the screen and takeoff will load.